how to buy Charlie token. So this token came under the symbol of Charlie. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money deposit on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, make sure to check the Telegram channel too. So this token is for pre-sale right now. If you click on the official website, you will be able to redirect to this page. So what you need to do to buy this token, as you can see, connect your wallet first. So select your wallet from here. As you can see, I will select the BitGet wallet. Now connect your wallet. Now after you connect your wallet, what you need to do, select here the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, but make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy, as you can see. So the pay with USDT, and here select the quantity that you want to buy of that token, as you can see, and here we'll be able to see the equivalent of that amount to pay with USDT. Now because I don't have any fund on my wallet, I can't be able to see the pay button. For you, click on the pay and the pop-up will be appear here from your wallet to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy Charlie token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.